Hey y'all, it's me, that girl Danny, and today I did a super cute style. I did extra jumbo knotless braids on my hair, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So today I'm coming to you with a voiceover so I can explain to you how easy it is to do this hairstyle. This right here is the pre-sections. I just did 2-strand twists in each of my pre-sections. Everywhere there's a 2-strand twist, there will be a jumbo knotless braid. This is the hair I use. It's Xpressions hair, it's an ombre hair, and it's a multi-pack. So I took one of the 3 packs in this single pack of hair, and I split that in half, and then I took each half and I split it into 6 sections. Each braid will have 6 pieces of hair. So these are the game-changing products. This combination of edge wax and pump it up spray to smooth down my roots and to smooth and tuck my hair. So this is the first section. This is the first piece of hair I use for this section. I integrated it at the root and I'm just braiding it down. I am doing the second piece, and with this hair, how I add the pieces is I add it underneath in the middle. So I add it underneath to the middle strand and I braid down. This is the 5th one now, adding it underneath and braiding it down. This is the 6th strand of hair that I'm using, adding it underneath and braiding it down. And I lost count here, and I think I added a 7th one, so this braid was a little bit bigger than the rest of them. But as I braid down, I am using pump it up spray to smooth the hair so it stays in place, and a little bit of the edge wax to smooth the hair also, and it really helps with tucking the hair in the braid. This is me using the edge wax. So I continue to smooth and braid it down the length of my hair. And here I am just smoothing it out, making sure the ends of my hair are tucked inside of that braid. And the edge wax in combination with the pump it up spray really helps smooth things down and keep it into place. I secured the bottoms with the rubber band, and later on you'll see me curl the ends that remain with perm rods. So here I am adding 1 piece to this section. Then I add that 2nd piece, adding it in the middle underneath. Adding a 4th piece in the middle underneath the braid. Smoothing it out as I go with a brush. Can never do too much smoothing. And here I am with the 5th strand of hair. Every time I do a revolution, I'm adding a strand of hair until I get to that 6th part. So it seems like 6 is just enough to use for 1 braid for these large sections. So right now I want to make sure when I add the rubber band that it is even with the other area that I added the rubber band to. And I'm out of frame, but that's what I'm doing right now. So I did these 5 braids in the front one day, and then, well, I did it all in the same day, but at one time I did these 5 braids, and then later on I'm gonna come back and finish my hair. This was a particularly busy day for me, but I wanted to get started on my hair when I had the time. So I sped up things a little bit and added those 6 strands of hair. It's really easy when you organize the hair with whatever you have Today I just had that over the hook door organizer and it worked out perfectly fine. So I'm going to switch up the angles a little bit. This is later on at night. I'm in my PJs. This is right before I go to bed. I decided to finish up my hair. So this is the very back section of my hair where I'm adding my 6 strands of hair. That's 2. Smooth it down. 3, 4. Smooth it down. 5, 6. Now I'm just going to work on tucking what I can, and when I can't tuck, I'm going to spray and smooth it out with the Pump It Up spray and the edge wax. Looks like I'm spraying a lot, but this is just what I need. A lot of this is actually going on a braid hair, not only my hair. So this helps it all blend into place, and as you can see, it's blending seamlessly. I did not have to blow dry my hair. I was able to air dry my hair just like this. And of course, the white product you see is going to dry clear. Now that I have all my braids in, I'm just adding these purple perm rods to the ends. And once I have all of those perm rods on my braids, I am going to dip the braids inside of the hot water I have in this mug. Just going to do a few dips, and I'm going to be leaning over quite a bit so that hot water doesn't come onto my clothes. So right here I'm just leaning on the sink, but you can kind of see what the roots of my hair is looking like. And at this point, I'm just making sure there's no water left in the perm rod, and I'm taking the perm rods off the ends of my hair. They are a little wet, so I am making sure to damp off that excess water. And I really am loving the way it looks right now. I think they look amazing and very, very neat. My parts can use a little work, but the braids themselves are very neat. So let's switch things up. There we go. This is the next morning, and this is how my hair is looking. You can kind of see the ends of my hair are very curled, and that ombre effect on the ends looks very, very good. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. I have completed these jumbo knotless braids with these 2 products. Are amazing. For anyone who has trouble tucking their hair or getting their hair to blend with the synthetic hair while they're doing a braid, these 2 products will help your hair stay in place and it will not wear off. Like a lot of time braid glazes and jams, they'll look nice, they'll be slicked down and real shiny, but in a couple days, like soon as you go like this, it'll frizz up, or hairs will come out of place, or hairs will come out of place in the length of the braid. But with these 2 products, this edge wax and this Pump It Up holding spray will keep your hair in place. And my hair, it still has movement to it, but when I tell you it's in place, it is in place. It still can bend and stuff, but my hair is pretty much set in place, like it's not gonna move. My scalp, like I made sure I greased my scalp really well before I put these products in, because they can be drying. However, I can still get to my scalp with this hairstyle to oil my scalp, because I do oil my scalp on a regular basis. I'm so happy with how my hair has turned out. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. You're watching this video, so more than likely you're subscribed. But if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you see when I upload on Mondays and Thursdays. You guys can be the first to watch my videos and comment below, and I'm there. I'm in the comments. I'm talking back to you guys because you guys took the time out to comment on my video and talk to me. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Be blessed.